Part 2. Where is he? He was just here a minute ago. I'll bet he's outside digging up those flower beds. My roses! Oh, don't worry, Mayor. Dogman would never do anything like that. Oh, Dogman! Listen here. Listen, here he comes. My roses! How could things get any worse? No! Introducing Flip-O-Rama. Buy a doggy! Give me back my glasses. Aw, don't cry, Mayor. He was just... I'm not crying! He slobbered all over my glasses. He got grime all over my suit. And he dug up my rose garden. If that dog-headed cop messes up one more time, I'm gonna take his badge away. Don't worry, sir. Dogman just gets excited, that's all. He'll be good from now on. Well, I should hope so. Now, where's my hat? Hey, my hat! Dogman, quick, give me the hat. Give me it. Give it. Let go. Seriously. Run! Rattle, rustle, rattle, rustle, rustle. Dogman, come back here with that hat. The saddest chapter ever written. That night, ding dong. What do you want? And what's he doing here? I thought I told you to get rid of that guy. But Mayor, please. Don't, Mayor, please. May! That dog-headed cop is a nuisance. And if you won't fire him, I will. Give me your badges. You're fired, Dogman. Now get out. Now get off my lawn. You see, Mr. Snookums? I told you I was a powerful person. Yes, sir. Everyone listens to me. 'Cause I'm the best mayor in town. Good night, Mr. Snookums. We're not gonna cry, okay? We're gonna be brave. We'll just go in here. And we'll walk to our desk. And we'll pack up your things. So you'll always remember us. Here's the bone that you like to chew. Here's your squeaky toy telephone. Squeak, squeak. And here's the little ball you love to... I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. Gee, Chief's really crying. I'm not crying. It's just allergies. I think I've got allergies too. Me too. We're all allergic to sadness. Hey, what's going on in here? Dogman just got fired. Well, I'm not surprised. Yeah, Dogman is an awful cop. I know, he chewed up my new phone. and he pooped in my filing cabinet again. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Look at what you've done. You made everyone cry, and you broke Chief's heart. Get out of here, dog man, and don't come back. Splash. If we had never done the things we did, if we had realized all of our sins,